Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper door hinge in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 4-inch nut driver and a 5/16-inch nut driver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new upper door hinge. This is the right side upper hinge. It holds the right side door at the top, allowing it to swing back and forth. The main reason the upper door hinge should be replaced is if it's broken or worn out. Right, I'm going to climb up to the top of the fridge here, and we are on the right side hinge right there. So we need to remove this cover, and the hinge is right under the cover. I'm using a 4-inch nut driver. I'm going to remove this screw that holds the cover and lift up that cover. So these 3 screws are not 1/4 inch, they are 5/16 of an inch, so I'm using a different nut driver, a 5/16 nut driver, and I'm going to take them out. I am supporting the door with my left hand just in case. I mean, there's a very slim chance it will go loose, but just in case. And now we're going to lift up the hinge. This is the old upper door hinge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to bring in a new hinge, and I'm going to place it in this way. And I'm going to secure it with the 3 5/16-inch screws using the same 5/16-inch nut driver. I'm going to tighten it yet, and only when I'm going to put the third one in, then only I'm going to tighten all. Bring in the cover. I'm going to place it on. Push it down. I'm going to align the holes here on the top, and I'm going to drop that 1/4-inch screw in using a 1/4-inch nut driver. We're all done. We can descend now. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.